Let's talk about making money with a 3D printer. Unfortunately, it's not as simple as downloading files online and selling them on Etsy. But why is that not the case? You have to find a product that is in demand and people are willing to pay for. A lot of products can be mass manufactured and sold way cheaper than the cost of 3D printing. But this is where we come into play. We have to find a product that can't be or hasn't been mass manufactured yet, and we can fill in the gap. Over the last 2 years, I made $200,000 selling 3D prints on Etsy, and I'm one of the top 1% Etsy sellers. Here is a list of 10 products that made me most of my money. You can find all the STL files in my school community. Top 10. Piggy Banks. There are some 3D printed piggy banks on Etsy that do really well, and they don't even look that good. The print quality is often poor and the designs are basic. Create different variants and use different fonts. You can easily get a hold within this niche. If we look at the data, the keyword piggy bank got over 3,500 monthly searches and around 20,000 competitor products. That might sound like a lot, but most of these products look the same. You can easily rank high with a good design. Top 9. Fidget Toys. These kind of fidget sliders are selling for $10 to $20. The costs for filament and magnets are around $5. You can easily print a bunch at once and shipping should be pretty cheap. Top 8. Golf ball markers. Make them customizable and let customers add their initials. That's a perfect gift for golf players. The print time should be under 1 hour. This will probably work even better with a resin printer. Top 7. Headphone holders. You can get pretty creative here. Turn anything into a headphone holder. This is pretty competitive on Etsy, but you can sell it on other marketplaces as well. Top 6. Custom name signs. Create a custom door sign or desk sign. Make it interesting and target an audience like teachers, gamers, or musicians. Top 4. Dart holder. Sell all kinds of darts accessories and holders. You can also go to local shops and sell them there. You can get the files for this dart holder in my premium group. Top 3. Flipper Zero. This is a really popular piece of tech and there is no official case for it. Print a case for it or look for other ideas on printables. Top 2. Apple Watch charging stand. People are searching a lot for a product like this. There are thousands of cheap products out there, but people want to buy something unique and fun. Make it around a theme or hobby people like. Top 1. Baby rattle. This product alone made over $20,000, and there is an Etsy store that sold 3,000 of them. That's a perfect gift for toddlers. You can easily target parents to buy this as a gift. If you want to learn more about how to make money with your 3D printer, join the free school community. You can read through some documents to learn how to set up your store. If you want access to all those STL files and the commercial licenses, join the premium group. See you over there.